Hello, I'm in a 2003 Mazda Tribute, and today I'm going to show you how to release this gas cover so you can get gas, keep on the road. See, it's like safety feature here, it's locked up. So you go on the driver's side, and then right by your left foot, there should be a lever here you can pull. That has a little tension on it here. That's what the underside looks like. And as you can see, it popped open this little cover. So go in, open it up, fill with the unleaded gas of your choice, close it up. Once you close this again, it'll be locked. If you had issues at this point with it, once you do get it open, there might be some debris or something caught in here, something to address. It needs cleaned up. And now it's locked again, so you have to pull that lever again to open. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.